Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, to whichever time zones you are. A very warm welcome to all. Today, we consider ourselves very lucky to be in the presence of Mr. Amitabh Kant, CEO Niti Aayog, who will be joining us shortly, Mr. Angus Higate, President of International Markets Dell Technologies, Mr. Amit Midda, President Asia Pacific Japan Digital Cities, Mr. Alok Ori, President and Managing Director, Dell Technologies India, and Mr. Ramanan, Mission Director, Atal Innovation Mission, and Additional Secretary, Niti Aayog. Dell Technologies is truly privileged to have gotten the opportunity to partner with Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, in order to take the tinkering movements to new heights. Being a woman and Dell Technology employee, I feel extremely happy to be here today witnessing the launch of She Codes Innovation Challenge, an initiative directed towards empowering more girls to be the future innovators of our country. Without any further delay, may I request few words of welcome from Mr. Alok Ori. Alok, over to you.
Let me extend my very warm welcome to Amitabh Kant and Ramanan from Niti Aayog and Angus Hegati and Amit Mega from Dell Technologies to this very special launch of She Codes Innovation Program. Dell Technologies has always prided itself in being able to be a part of revolutionary changes that are driven by technology and accelerates human progress. We believe technology, if harnessed in the right way, can result in a educated, empowered, and a very vibrant society. Particularly from Indian context or Indian perspective, technology can play a major role in education and very big way. It's with this intent, Dell Technologies collaborated and partnered with Niti Aayog in 2017 to apply technology into the hands of underserved and underrepresented communities, which could help them build new skills, interests that could then unleash this potential of of being innovative, entrepreneurship, and creativity for the entire country. Uh, our partnership has resulted in Dell Technologies adopting 100 plus Atal Tinkering Labs across the country. Most recently, uh, Dell Model School and Skilling Center programs have been steadily encouraging girl children to take up STEM education. It's great for all of us to be together today to launch an innovative program for our girl children in the country, which hopefully will drive innovation and encourage the girl children to adopt to the STEM education in a very big way. With that, I'd like the team to play a AV. Can we have the AV, please?
At Dell, we firmly believe that the youth of our country, they deserve the opportunity for the latest technology. And therefore, we collaborated with Niti Aayog because their flagship program, Atal Innovation Mission, is all about fostering science and technology and curiosity amongst the young minds.
In fact, Atal Tinkering Labs, along with Dell Technologies, and we are very fortunate to have you as a partner, where we are introducing all of this skills so that the learning is becoming simpler, the absorption of that learning and translating it into potential problem solving and becoming innovators is all becoming feasible.
With continued partnership with Niti Aayog, we aim to harness the power of technology in creating a future which helps realize the full human potential.
I hope everyone enjoyed the showcase of powerful transformations that has been led by Dell Technology in India. I take this opportunity to call upon Mr. Amit Midda, President APJ Digital Cities, to say a few words on the importance of technology in education. Amit, over to you, please.
Oh, first of all, Mr. Amitabh Kant, Mr. Ramanan, congratulations. And thank you for such a great partnership with Dell Technologies. And also thank you for joining us on this auspicious occasion. I think we're a very, very proud company to be part of the Atal Mission, Innovation Mission, Atal Tinkering Lab. And so far, I think the major initiatives around incubation centers, New India Challenges, Mentor India campaign, Community Innovation Center. I mean, there is a lot of things for us to be proud of. Not only we have been able to support the Atal Innovation Mission, but also be part of many of these initiatives. And now this is moving to tier 2 and tier 3 cities in the underserved region of the country. I think in this time, what we have been able to do with 10,000 plus Atal Tinkering Labs, with 5,000 plus operational and 102 Atal Innovation Centers nationwide, I think, Mr. Ramanan, you should be very proud of what your mission has been able to accomplish in such a short time. I think while we can celebrate a lot of these things, we should remember, ultimately, we are here to make a difference, create an outcome, and to make amazing things happen for the youth of tomorrow and today. And I think I have a daughter who is certainly looking at upcoming times where 2030, the 80% of the skills required are not even being taught in the school today. Where the youth of today, my younger son, is looking at education through gaming and through experiential ways rather than typical pedagogical approaches that we have taken. There is so much that we have to do to make sure the youth of tomorrow is relevant, and it is a Herculean task. And I know we have been able to work a gaming platform to improve the new age skills among children and youth. And I think this is being open to from grade 6 and onwards and impacting 6+ million students. And I think we also think that this platform will continue to grow and become much more relevant across India. Now, from our perspective, the program that we have done is touching 40,000 plus students, and all gaming side will be 1.5 million students. And we think this sort of approach from Dell Technology perspective is also setting a good examples for other companies to follow. But in short, what I'm very proud of is that I can talk to my children and talk about this program. I can talk to anyone in the company and say this is the lighthouse for what can be done when the government and the business works together along with like-minded people. Of course, we as a company have a mission to be the essential infrastructure company and use technology to drive human progress. I cannot think of a better project than this to drive human progress. I'm very proud of this program and this project, and I wanted to congratulate both Niti Aayog and the Dell Technologies India team to make it such a success already. But I would also suggest that let's continue to drive this program hard, as well as look at the sky as the limit, given the challenge, and opportunities that we have ahead of us. I'm again congratulating all of the folks involved, both from Niti Aayog as well as Dell side, to make it success. Congratulations, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Amit, so much. Mr. Ramanan, may I request you take ahead the panel discussion, please?
Thank you, Archana, and thank you everyone at Dell Technologies for once again partnering with Atal Innovation Mission over the last 3 years, you have been a very steadfast partner and have made major impact to the Atal Innovation Mission ecosystem, especially in the tinkering labs, and the audios and the videos were evident of the impact that you are creating. I'm very, very happy and very proud to have two very illustrious people participate in the panel discussion today. Sri Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog. The Niti Aayog stands for the National Institution for Transforming India. And Sri Amitabh Kant has truly been the architect of transforming India through a number of initiatives that he has launched in almost every vertical at the Niti Aayog, ranging from innovation and entrepreneurship to various policy decisions that are affecting the startup community in a very positive manner, and that is also ushering digital India dreams to become a reality. He's also been the author and of two books on Incredible India, but more importantly, he launched the knowledge about India to the international community in terms of its beauty and in terms of its place as a destination for many, many countries. I'm also proud to introduce Mr. Angus Hegarty, who is serving as the president of Dell Technologies for International Markets. It's an organization spanning more than 170 countries, encompassing Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, Greater China, and Latin and South America. He has the overall responsibility for business and strategy across these global regions, leading a team of over 50,000 sales, solutions, and service professionals, enabling customers to transform their business for the next decade. More importantly, he is a respected commentator on innovation, leadership, digital transformation, sustainability, and diverse, inclusive workforce. And since 2017, Angus has been the chairman of the Executive Council of the American Chamber of Commerce to the European Union. We are very proud and we are very thankful for both these persons to be able to spare their valuable time for a panel discussion. I'll start off with a question for Sri Amitabh Kant. Sir, social impact and gender inclusiveness is of utmost importance for all the companies today. Could you share a little bit about Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog's vision and objectives on giving back to the community, especially the women community and the girl child?
Thank you, Ramnan, for that question, and it's an excellent question. And let me first compliment both Atal Innovation Mission and Dell Technologies for this very unique partnership. I think this is a remarkable partnership, and in many ways, this will transform India. This will transform technology in India. This will make Indians far more innovative, and this is really path-breaking in many ways. So my compliments to both of you. At Atal Innovation Mission, we are committed towards creating a very, very inclusive ecosystem for innovators across the country. And our objective is to ensure equal opportunities to all, irrespective of gender, location, or they are differently abled capabilities. So we always design and implement various initiatives with this objective in mind. At the Atal Innovation Mission, 70% of the tinkering labs are in girls and co-ed schools. 70% of the Atal tinkering labs are in government and government-aided schools. And actually 65% of the tinkering labs are in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities and rural India. And we firmly believe that if girl children and women entrepreneurs are encouraged, and if they are empowered, they will have a great impact on the country. In the last tinkering marathon that was conducted by AIM, 45% of the top 200 innovation winners were actually girl students. We also strongly encourage women-led startups and women entrepreneurs in Atal incubators so we support them in the 1,500 plus startups of Atal incubators. Close to about 500 of them are women-led startups and entrepreneurs. And our aspiration is that Indian women entrepreneurs and startups should reach 50%. And some of the, I just recall that some of our incubation centers are actually exclusively women-based. Banasthali Vidyapeeth, which is an all-women college, Aliep, WeHub, and the Access Livelihood, all women-led actually. We also have a women entrepreneurship program of Niti Aayog, which is a first of its kind unified access portal, which brings women from different parts of India to realize their entrepreneurial aspirations. So we do a large number of things to push women entrepreneurship. And over the past 2 years, actually, in the Women Entrepreneurship Program, we've supported over 14,000 women. And today, with this She Codes program for the top girls, top girl only teams of ATL Marathon 2019. This is truly remarkable because Atal Innovation Mission, in collaboration with Dell Technologies, is actually inculcating technology, innovation, and entrepreneurial skills at a very, very young age. And this is, to my mind, truly remarkable. So great. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, Amitabh ji. I'd like Mr. Angus to similarly share what is Dell Technologies' vision and objectives in giving back to the community, especially women, and what impact, social impact, and gender inclusiveness is being addressed through your initiatives, not only in India but across the world.
Thank you, Ramanan. Thank you. Great question. And let me add my congratulations to our partners and to our Dell Technologies team in India on this initiative. To address your question, Amit spoke about it a few moments ago. As a company, what is extremely important to us is that we have deep roots in the communities in which we work and live. And in India, we are across many locations with thousands of employees. And what's very inspiring about our team members is their desire to give back into the communities in which they work and live. And the areas that we're talking about here this morning around education, young girls, entrepreneurship from a female entrepreneurship perspective and other areas are absolutely at the core of the priorities we have as a company globally. And I am most impressed and humbled to hear and see the fantastic work that you are all doing in this area. Some of the statistics you shared a moment ago around entrepreneurship are most impressive. Globally, through our Dell Women's Entrepreneurial Network, which we have a very active element in India as well, we know on average only 20% of entrepreneurs are female. To hear some of the statistics and numbers around the programs that you're leading in that area are fantastic. And of course, a lot of these female entrepreneurs of the future are going to come from both the technology area, but also from the programs that you're now launching and have in place here around She Codes and the Tinkering Labs. Because you're stimulating the innovation, you're stimulating the creativity around technology and thinking about careers in technology with these young girls. So it's a fantastic initiative. I'm on a virtual trip to India over these couple of days, based here in Ireland, in Europe. But I must say, when I look at some of the statistics already in place for India, the second highest digital adoption growth rate, the second largest e-learning market. If you then add to this the initiative you're doing in making sure that that diversity of gender from a girl's perspective, you're going to broaden the workplace from a technology and skills and STEM perspective much broader. And I think that absolutely is going to put India and continue India on a very strong footing, both economically and business-wise, and really showing leadership in these areas. So let me say again, thank you for the partnership. Looking forward to hearing more about the She Codes Innovation Challenge and Program. I'll keep a close eye on the progress. And a big thank you to our team. And again, it's all led by our employees from India under our leadership from Alok as our leader in India. Is a fantastic initiative, and congratulations, everybody.
Thank you, Angus, for that wonderful response, and I'm sure it is inspiring a whole lot of people who are attending this call. Amitabh ji, I have a question. You have always been a champion of technology, of innovation. You have also been a champion of Digital India through the various initiatives you have rolled out, and we are having a demographic dividend that is the envy of many a country. So what is the role you feel that technology can play in preparing the youth of today for the future workforce that the world needs? And what are some of the steps that Niti Aayog is doing to enable the same?
So Ramanan, great question. You know, this fourth industrial revolution is actually focused on the convergence of major advances in IT, hardware, electronics, IoT, robotics, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and actually rapid prototyping, coding are these are the important survival skills of the 21st century. You can't survive without them. And therefore, at Niti Aayog, we are advocating all these key frontier technologies by formalizing strategies and implementing plan in collaboration with both the industry and the academia. We have taken several initiatives on artificial intelligence and frontier technologies. We have the Atal Innovation Mission, which we had launched here, and at the school level, we established Atal Tinkering Labs. We've created over 5,000 tinkering labs. The objective of this is really to foster curiosity and imagination in young minds and inculcate the skills of the future. Computational thinking, Internet of Things, AI, design thinking, robotics, all this. And we witnessed this tinkering movement spread to over 5,342 schools, and we have already selected the next 5,000 schools to become operational. And this is enabling us to cover over 2 million students, access the state-of-the-art empowering technologies. And these are technologies on which tomorrow's solutions will be built. You know, Silicon Valley is the most innovative place in the world, but it has no challenges. All the challenges are in India. So the challenge of education, of health, of water, if we are able to find solutions to these challenges, then actually India will be finding solutions for the next 10 billion people who will move from poverty to middle class in the next 5 to 6 years. And therefore, I think what is being done here by Atal Innovation Mission and Dell is simply remarkable. And, we've been organizing a vast number of ATL marathons. We do a nationwide contest for ATL innovators to identify community problems and create grassroots innovations. And these ATL innovators have become trailblazers and living inspirations from tinkerers to innovators and to student entrepreneurs. So we shall continue to inculcate technology learning, and we will continue to push for early adopters of cutting edge technology, and we will keep taking policy interventions in a manner so that we are able to absorb the latest technologies and leverage them to enhance our growth and better livelihood, better citizens we create for the world tomorrow. And all of these greatly help us to drive a behavioral change and prepare India's youth for the future workforce. So I was listening to both Alok and Amit, and I was really impressed with what Alok has done in India with Atal Tinkering Labs, and Amit, who's been regularly coming to India. But Amit, you were talking about your daughter and your son, and I will only advise that you put your daughter and son through Atal Tinkering Labs. Don't waste their time in Hong Kong, and they will really become the greatest innovators in the world. Thank you.
There you go. Now I'm opening up a Silicon Valley right here in Singapore now. That's it, with the Atal Tinkering Lab.
Thank you, Amitabh ji, for that very, very visionary role that Niti Aayog is playing in empowering our youth for the future. Dell Technologies has always been at the forefront of emerging technologies, state-of-the-art technologies. And I remember I had the opportunity to meet Mr. Michael Dell once in Davos, and he shared how he wants to make sure that Dell is everywhere, not just it's not perceived just as a product from the US, but it is a product of the world. Mr. Angus, what is your take on the role that technology can play in preparing the youth of today for the future workforce, taking a global perspective, and how is Dell Technologies besides what you are doing with Atal Innovation Mission, enabling the same?
I mean, great question. I think we've touched on it a couple of times here already in the discussion around the importance of technology and the importance of education on technology. And what I really like about these initiatives is the way in which you're doing it in a practical way. The labs, it's about getting your hands on the technology, using the technology, learning the technology. And of course, this initiative is allowing individuals who may not have as much access to that to get them the access to the technology and to the learning. I think technology and the use of technology can unlock some of the barriers of access to education for many students. And we've seen that in India, we've seen that throughout the world as we work with our customers and partners to make that more accessible and greater access as well too. Of course, technology keeps changing at a pace of change. Some of the areas have already been referenced around some of the new areas around AI, around machine learning, around IoT, embedded technology. 5G is obviously changing and broadening the access to that technology as well too, and information. And you know, as a company, Dell Technologies continues to invest and innovate around those technologies and trends, working with our partners in India and around the world to innovate on that technology and support our customers in leveraging that technology. Through the last 6 months of the challenges of COVID, we've seen with our customers an acceleration in that digital transformation, an acceleration in the transformation of how people work, an acceleration in the transformation of our infrastructure and how our business digitally work. So I think the initiative here in education and working with students and girls to give them access to STEM subjects, access to technology is critical, because as Amit spoke about, the skills and jobs for the futures, 80% of them that will be here in 5 years' time have not yet been created. So it's important that we really emphasize and focus around technology and education, around STEM subjects. And as a company, we're committed in the initiatives here in India and around the world to keep innovating on technology, to continue to bring that to market with our customers, but also to help support the education of our future employees, our future customers, and our future entrepreneurs and innovators.
Thank you, Angus. And yes, indeed, we will keep innovating with technology and empowering the future workforce with all of these knowledge of the technologies, as well as incentivizing them. With this, while we would like to have more and more questions being asked to both of you, I think we are running short of time. So may I request Shri Amitabh Kant to launch the She Codes program, which is a unique program targeted towards coding challenges for the young girl child, especially the ATL Tinkering Marathon participants and winners. So, Shri Amitabh Kant, with a few words of yours on the subject, could you kindly launch the She Codes program, joint initiative by Dell Technologies and Atal Innovation Mission?
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and all the young entrepreneurs and all the young innovators who're here today, really delighted to be in the midst of all of you. We've seen a huge rise in women-led startups and innovations. And this, to my mind, is only the beginning. And I'm truly elated to share that Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, is partnering with Dell Technologies and is launching the She Codes program for the top girl-only teams of Atal Tinkering Labs Marathon. And this is, to my mind, truly amazing partnership. 30 teams from over 15 different states, comprising of more than 100 young girls and teachers, combined will undergo a rigorous program which will enhance their 21st century skills and make them the next generation of women entrepreneurs of India. There can't be a better partnership than this, because these young girls aged between 12 to 16 years have already demonstrated their grit and are ready for what the future beholds for them. The top teams of Atal Tinkering Labs have proven themselves worthy to be called some of the most innovative students of India. And Niti Aayog is committed to support this demographic dividend through public-private partnership. From incubation centers, industry, academia, corporates, all of us are working with AIM with one single vision. We must disrupt the Indian landscape with the innovative spirit of our young India. And I would like to urge all the young girl students present today to take this opportunity to create valuable solutions which will pave the way for our country to become truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. That's the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, and we will really make, with your innovations, your dynamism, your energy, your spirit, we can make India truly make in India and make it Atmanirbhar Bharat by your product development. So ladies and gentlemen, congratulations for this unique initiative. And now can we play the launch video, please?
I want to become a businesswoman. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a doctor.
I want to become an athlete.
All 300 students got an opportunity that we can go to Russia and we can make a project with Russian students.
I feel thankful for Dell Technologies, Niti Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission and Government of India for achieving my goal. I feel excited to work in lab for She Codes program. Thank you.
Hope everyone got a little insight of what the She Codes Innovation Program is all about. It has indeed been exciting to be part of this launch so far, and at Dell Technologies, we are definitely betting big on the girls of our country. May I please request Angus and Amit to share their thoughts?
So, first of all, I wanted to congratulate Ms. Ramnan as well as thank Mr. Amitabh Kant for all his leadership. And I think today, as I mentioned before, I'm super proud of what we are accomplishing together. This is also a great example of what is possible when we work together. Dell Technology belief is to invest in human capital, and the country like India, where half of its population is below the age of 25, the potential of educational shift is unimaginable. STEM education in particular holds a lot of promise for our country, given India's reputation in the world as a math and science powerhouse. The development of India relies on innovation, and what Dell Technologies is doing to promote, foster, and sustain innovation in India. Atal Tinkering Lab, Dell Skilling Centers, Gaming Platform, Student Entrepreneurship Program 1.0, employee voluntary efforts through mentorship. The role of Dell Technologies in making sure that children benefit immensely from their programs, exposure to technology, soldering, welding, coding, tinkering. This has not only given them the chance to work with modern technology and equipment, but it has motivated them and their peers to work and to innovate in a male-dominated STEM space. With the aim to extend the spirit of tinkering, we were led to conceptualize a challenge that would enable girls to show how far they have transformed themselves after having harnessed the opportunities available. She Codes Innovation Program envisages to bridge the gender inequality in India, equip the girls with the skills to be self-reliant, confident, conscientious individuals. She Codes Innovation Program is a countrywide challenge that would cut across all lingual, geographical, and cultural boundaries, championing the thought of nationwide girl-led innovation. The program will create a paradigm shift in the minds of girl educators, communities, and individuals alike by demonstrating the value of investing in girl child and girl empowerment and how that weaves itself into the biggest tapestry of human development in our country. This program will not just benefit the girls and who are part of it, but will also enable those girls to then transfer the skill and learning to their respective classrooms, communities, schools, and thus creating a chain reaction of sorts. So in summary, we are super proud to be part of this. We want to congratulate Niti Aayog, Adult Tinkering Labs, and we wanted to say a sense of humility and a commitment to really solving some long-standing issues from bringing the equality, but also getting the gender progress to be made in India. Some of these challenges we're talking about are global in nature. There are many countries which have these, but I'm so proud that India as a country, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi and under the leadership of Mr. Amitabh Kant, Mr. Ramanan, are really enabling a solution to make it happen. Again, the problem size is so tremendous. We are going to be a drop in the ocean. We would also welcome other participants, other companies to become part of this. So as a result, we can make a societal level change. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be part of the program. We want to create a sense of progress in the country. We're very proud that we are the founding member of this, and we are looking forward to making amazing things for the country to happen in the coming days, months, and years. You can count on us. We are part of Dell. We are part of India Fabric, and we want to make sure that we are making progress both socially and economically in India. And to Mr. Amitabh Kant, thank you for your invitation to put my children through this. I'll take that challenge, and I will make sure India is an innovation hub led by girl entrepreneurs and led by the program that we started today, which is She Codes. Congratulations, and thank you again.
Thank you, Amit. Angus, would you like to share some thoughts?
Just to add and echo Amit's points, this is a fantastic initiative. I'm delighted to have the opportunity to hear more about it during my trip here to India. Congratulations to all of our partners, to our team. I would underline Amit's point. We will be on every step of the journey with you, hand in hand. And we look forward to having a significant and positive impact together on a broader and more diverse workforce in India through the STEM work, through the labs and the activities we have here. It's fantastic. We're hugely committed to this. This goes to the core of our culture and values as well, too, as a company. So looking forward to the success. Congratulations on today.
Thank you. Thank you, Angus. Just to be mindful of time, we come to a close of this event. Thanks, everyone, for your time, and stay safe and stay healthy.